Andrew again. I wanted to let you guys see what I do at work. Check it out. These are the pallets inside the plane. There's 42 pallets on the upper deck. There's 22 pallets on the lower deck. These little wheels right here help the pallets move throughout the plane. You see them? Every little one of these things helps the plane move. Pallets. And here go my machine again. My beast of a machine. Yes. With truck, co-worker. I'm out here on the polar waves. Trucks again. Let's see. Got a little fuel in the truck. Well, let me show you what this thing do right here. Check it out.